Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can make a perfect heart shape by using a compass and a ruler. So firstly, you have to draw a square like this, and then as you know, all the sides of square are equal, so you just have to find the center by using this ruler. See, when we half 8 we will get 4, so that means the center is here, right? So this is the center for this side. Again 4, so see where is 4, this is 4, and you can mark it as the center. This side is 4, you mark the center. And then you can also do this by drawing perpendiculars, but right now we are doing this process. So now what you have to do is you have to join these points like this. You joined these two, you joined these 2 points, and then you joined these points, and you joined this. Now the next step is you have to again divide this line into half. Now this is like, this is 5.6. now 5.6 divided by 2, 2.8, right? 2.8 will be the half of this, so it lies here. You mark the center, and again this will be again 2.8, right? So 2.8 is here. Now this is the center. Now opening it by the measure of radius like this. See, now you have to put it here in the center, and like this you have to draw an arc, and again putting it here, you have to draw an arc again. See, this is how we can construct a perfect heart shape. I will show you how it looks like. You can erase these to see how it actually looks like. See, maybe you can make it more beautiful by coloring it. See? This is how your heart is gonna look like. So I hope you understood that. Thank you.